Hey guys, Andy here with Expert Renovations. So this is what a long day looks like. Our concrete supplier had some issues with their pump truck. Concrete was supposed to be here at 9 o'clock in the morning. Did not get delivered till almost 2. The guys are staying with it. It's a 55-yard pour. Working our way out to the front. We're going to saw joints in this area. It's just too big to get a good straight cut on. And this is what we're pouring, so it's finishing out good here. Sidewalk's done. Take it out to the street. Get you guys a better picture once everything's finished up, but this is it, and this is the wonderful world of construction. Sometimes things go your way, and other times you just get to live with it. Call us if we can stick with your difficult projects for you. We've got the crews, equipment, and experience to get it right and stay with it. 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for about our friends in Ukraine.